This is my channel. Eating with J.I. Hey. And today, baby. Tonight, I should say, come on. I got some catfish. Yes, we sell catfish. And I just got a lobster tail, boiled eggs, and potato and corn in here. So I'm going to say my grace and I'm going to dig right in. I just got off work. I'm a little bit tired. I'm going to eat this food for y'all and go wash my ass and go to bed. I'm in a good mood tonight, y'all. I did pretty good. I didn't make that much in tips. I made like 108, yeah. And then after this, I had $80-some because this was 23. So I made a little more than that because I got $88. It's so good. Yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah. I said, yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah. Look what I got. Yeah. Oh. I love lobster. Yeah, and lobster love me. Yeah. Because I eat it like this. Yes, I eat it like this. Child, we had them little babies coming in the other day, and I don't mean little babies like fine women. We had like little kids in there getting hot and extra hot. I was like, oh, I'm so scared for you. Cause y'all know the medium and the mild was too much for me. Let me get a piece of my catfish. I'm gonna dip it in this sauce. I got some hot sauce too, y'all. I could have had you a little bit closer. Yes, in DTO, I don't need now glove. We put gloves, wet naps, and napkins in all our to-go bags. Oh. Yes, in DTO. Oh. If it ain't got hot sauce, I don't want it. I cannot eat no fried fish without hot sauce, y'all. Drizzle. Let me let y'all get a close look. Yes, baby, yes. Maybe get some extra hour because one of the people had COVID. No, he had COVID. They tested positive at his job for COVID. He worked 2 jobs. So I'm like, I was like, where you go? Did he quit? They was like, no, he got to get a COVID test. And they were trying to tell him to get the rapid. But the rapid cost like $100-some. So he was just going to go to CVS and get the free one. That's crazy. So if somebody got COVID over there, they should close that restaurant down. I wonder if they close down. Ugh. Because that's what they was doing. They was closing restaurants down. It's good. It ain't as salty. Y'all know I love the boiled egg. I should have added on 4. I want 4 boiled eggs. Good. My manager say I'm doing good. I ain't need no voids. I got some water, y'all. I ain't had nothing else to drink. But that's okay. I'll go shopping tomorrow. Not grocery shopping. I'm tired already. I gotta go to work in the morning. So I'm just gonna stop by the store on the way home. I get something simple. I ain't got no story time today, y'all. I don't know what I want to talk about. I'm trying to think of something. Yeah, lobster. I get a 20% discount. Lobster tail, yeah. Yes. They give us tartar sauce and what is this? Cocktail? Yeah, it's cocktail because it's thick. But I don't want none of that. I got 4 nice little cuts of catfish, y'all. I just got the catfish by itself. That's $9.95 or it's $9 something. It's cheaper than getting it with the fries, of course. Look at that. I do kind of want some tartar sauce now. I ain't lying. I hope y'all can hear me good. I'm gonna eat my ice if it's in here now at the end, because I know y'all be liking crunching, munching, crunching, munching, crunching, munching. I can do without it. It ain't nasty. This that Cisco brand. The Cisco, the restaurant brands be good. Except for the mayonnaise. The only mayonnaise I like is Hellman's. I hated it the other day. I had went to Burger King before work just to have some real quick, put on my stomach because I hadn't ate. Of course, they got a dollar menu. We ain't got no dollar menu. So, I went and I just got a chicken sandwich. The chicken sandwich that be on the dollar menu. And a value onion ring. Soon as I bit into the damn chicken sandwich, it nutted all in my mouth. I hate that. Fucking mayonnaise all in my damn mouth. Yes. Oh, that's a nice piece right there. Crunch and munchin'. Crunch and munchin'. I want y'all to share this. Please share this video. Share it. Share the hell out of it. I forgot. I'm going to put some of this on there. Let me see how it tastes with this. I'm trying to really get up in there. Yes, let me let y'all see. Did it all fall off? Some of it fell off. Ooh, I'm messing up the table. That's my money maker. My massage table. People are coming in from out of town for the Super Bowl. Go Bucks. Go Bucks. Go Bucks. Go Bucks. Go Bucks. Yes. I'm not really a sports fan, but I always root for the home team. Whether it's the Devil Rays, the Bucks, or our soccer team, the Rowdies, we got here. I'm always go home team. I don't know much about all them other places, FAMU and all them, but I always root the Tampa Bay area, win, lose, or mother draw. And that was not the whole cuss word. Don't censor me, YouTube. I censored myself. Oh, yes. This is a good. Ooh, excuse my burp. Pig. We're in trouble. Ooh, 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 ooh. Mmm. 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 I said, mmm. 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 I got one more. I really should be eating all this corn. Don't say nothing, Nikki. Always getting on me. Shout out to Twin Ice Slayers. Twin ASMR Ice Slayers. I gotta get their name right. Cause this show be looking after me. They share my vlog. They have people come support me. I've gotten followers because of them. Booyaka, booyaka, booyaka. Got Shout out to the Twin Ice Slayers. If y'all want to hear some crunching munching, y'all go over there to their channel. We did the cheeseburger challenge, which her son won. And my other girl, her son, and she won. I forget her, damn, let me get my phone, y'all. Hold on. It's right here. Y'all done came here with that drunk shit. Look at you. Y'all know I can't edit. I'm sorry, y'all. Something told me to sit my black ass down. Some said, bitch, sit your black ass down. But did I listen? Damn, it was going good. There we go. We back. We back. We back. We back. We back. Ow! Y'all be coming in here drunk and falling down. It is not my fault. I had to help you back up. I'm tired of that. Let me see, because y'all know I can't edit, so it's going to be in there. I'm trying to make a joke out of it. Period, poo. So, anywho, Kim and Curran, shout out to them. I don't think they really be watching this far in the video, so they won't even hear the shout out. But, hey, shout out to them. Because you can always tell who really watch my videos and, like, really, real deal support me and who just going through the motions. Either way, I'm happy to have everybody. Because as long as the outcome is income, baby. Because we all trying to reach to the top. Let me see. Oh, yes. For some reason, I want to say Marquita. That potato. Let me see. And of course, Ace, point of view. Shout out to Ace. Bah, bah, bah. Booyaka, booyaka. Shout out to Ace. Trey brought him on over too. Support. I love my supporters. Thank you kindly. Twins ASMR Ice Eaters. They changed it. I like the Ice Slayers. People probably don't know what Slayers mean or whatever. I don't know. Yes, he was a character, boo. F Vince. Shout out to Best Grinds. He came on over. The Ice Twins brought him over. Push ASMR. I think the Ice Slayers brought them over too. Go Push ASMR. I'm talking about ASMR. And who else we got? Nikki! Bah, bah, bah. Shout out to Nikki. She don't have a channel, y'all. Her name just Nikki. And Quita Daily Vlogs. Quita Daily Vlogs. Shout out to her. Let me show y'all her channel, if I can. Yeah. Here she go. Can you see it? You can't see it because of the damn lighting. What, I gotta turn the light down? That's her channel, y'all. Queen of Daily Vlogs. Let me hurry up because I gotta eat. And then let me show y'all Ace point of view in Ice Slayers. Here go the Ice ASMR twins. Ice ASMR. I don't know why I'm so silly tonight, y'all. Here they go. Oh, god damn!